This is my 79 Chevy. Long bed, 4-wheel drive. It's in pretty good shape for being completely factory right now. The body, I mean. Took it through some mud. It's got the rust. 3/4 ton. Interior is pretty nice. It's just a little dirty. This is a cold start. I believe these are MagnaFlow mufflers. That's a 350. It's got 10,000 miles on it. The Trans is a 400. It's got the same miles. They're both rebuilt. It's got an Edelbrock manifold and a Holley carb. Passes emissions, no problem. No cats. That's it.